Hi, welcome to the Ultimate Deck Shop Saskatoon. We're at 320 68th Street. My name is Wade. Let me show you around. When you come to the Ultimate Deck Shop, we'll provide you with an unbiased shopping experience. We have the widest selection and the best prices to help you put together your ultimate backyard experience. Here at the Ultimate Deck Shop, we stock the widest selection of product in the province. And so what that means for you is that if you want to work on your project this weekend, you can pick up the product, and if you have a couple boards left over, there's no restocking fee because we carry that product. Lots of people don't know we're a full stocking lumber yard. We have all the treated material you'll need to do your entire project. We have treated lumber, cedar, composite, aluminum rail, and accessories. We even carry 2x10 20 foot. Here at the Ultimate Deck Shop, we also offer a managed install service. There's two styles to that. You can do an assisted DIY program where we will basically handle the framing and get the foundation set for you, and the full managed install where we handle the whole build from start to finish.